Hello, everybody. So I was looking back at when I first joined social media and I realized it has been 10 years. It was in 2014 when I was in teacher training. And the reason I decided to open up, my Instagram account was really to make yoga videos so I would remember what I was learning in class, remembering how to teach asana. And that was really why I started making videos. And then, it kind of morphed into just sharing positive energy, really, living a healthy lifestyle. And so I kept it up, because I feel like this whole world of social media, it's not going anywhere. And I realized, we have a choice on what we follow. And, I was like, if I'm going to show up and do this, I want it to have, a positive purpose. I want to share positive energy, And so then I just kept going with it. And then COVID hit and, that was like crazy, obviously. And during that time, I created my little Sprinkles of Spirit card deck and decided to create this page, the Sprinkles of Spirit page, to kind of go with that. Anyway, why I'm showing up on here is, so I can't believe it's been 10 years. And also, my 1974 babes, this is our big 50 year. So I realized, looking back, when I turned 40, I wrote myself a letter. And that was really cool to read what I wrote and to read, the goals and intentions that I set for myself, and to be here 10 years later, looking back and realize the growth that I've experienced and the fruition of some of those prayers. It's unbelievable. I feel very blessed and I'm very grateful for where I am in my life. And I feel like, as I turn the big 50, I feel like there's a lot of people, not just women, I'll say people, that freak out, about getting older and aren't feeling that great. And so it's like, I just want to continue to share. Here's my idea. So tell me if you guys would, I don't know, find this interesting or pay attention, but I want to do a 30-day countdown to my big 50 and kind of document it, because it was really cool to look back on the letter that I wrote 10 years ago. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Let me use my social media account to kind of document my 30-day countdown to 50, and I can do 30 days of sharing with you, positive things, how I've kind of taken care of myself in my mind and my body and my spirit, my little tips and tricks and fun things in there too. And, I don't know, I think it would be cool. And, just continue to be on here for a positive purpose. And, if I am a positive person, if that annoys the crap out of you, this probably isn't the account for you to follow. That's just who I am, and I'm going to just keep being me. And yeah, I'm going to do this. So I thought it would be cool. And I'm actually filming this, around 8/8, so maybe I'm just feeling that Lionsgate, energy in the air and ready to share, right? And show up. So yes, that's what's going on. And let's do this, 30 days to my big 50. If you guys have any questions, or I don't know, want to hear me talk about certain things, let me know. And, especially like for our young people out there, I have special young people in my life. And, as they get older, I want to show them that we can be a force of good in this world of social media, that I don't think it's going anywhere, And Instagram was cool. I remember when I started 10 years ago, I was like, okay, this one I can handle, because I'm not on all of the things out there. Like, there's no way I can handle being on all the things out there. But this Instagram was cool because I thought it was like a magazine, you know? It's like your own personal magazine. And I was like, okay, I can do this. I can post a picture here and there, and, you know, then got used to it, you know? Remember back in the day we had magazines, you know? And now we have this. Now we have video and social media, and I don't know, why not use it for good, right? We all have a choice on who you're following, what you're feeding your mind, right, every day. So if I said to myself, well, if I'm gonna keep going, I'm just gonna keep it positive, you know, and keep it real. So, you know, and who knows? And then in 10 years, you know, when I turn the big 60, I can look back on, you know, my little 30-day countdown. I don't know. Will I still be on social media in 10 years? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, so for those of you who are following this particular page, thank you. And I'll see you guys soon on the countdown to 50. Cheers.